Alright guys, Georgia Jim. Got this challenge lock from Picksmith called Ling Soo. And as you notice, the key goes in from the back. So, alright. Using the 50 thousandths tensioner. Let's go at it. Using 23 thousandths hooks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go with something a little shorter. 5. I'm sorry, that was 6 actually. I just touched 5. We got more false set. Nothing on 1, 2, 3, 4. Hit 6, kind of rotating. Something a little deeper back there. Two, 3, 4. Come on. Grab them a little thinner. I feel like I'm scrubbing on something. It could be the pin just being mushy though. Alright, Picksmith said it had to be over 90 to be picked. So that is picked. As is shim not needed. Must pick to gut. Okay. Alright, well I guess I'll get this. Make sure we keep everything in frame. In case I have a spare Picksmith challenge lock set up to look just like this. Ooh, see? Almost locked it back. All right. He said shim not needed, so here goes everything. Make sure I got that. Oh, there it goes. Okay. All right. 2. There's a torpedo key pin. Doesn't want to come out. One of pig. How did you do that? Why doesn't it want to? There it goes. Okay. Some sharp ass milling in there. 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. He's got a trench on the third cut, threading, undercuts, Nothing on 4. Definitely undercuts on 2 and 4. And a little bit on 6. But I didn't really feel that when I was picking. I think I just got lucky or good binding order or something. All right. Looks like the chamber is threaded, because last time I picked one of his locks, he said I forgot to look in the Bible for mods. Nice pins here. I'll do a close-up on those in just a second. Thin little bastard for number 3 to catch on that trench. Kind of a, is that? Yeah, rattlesnake. All right. Little weird taper. And I just shot that one out. Hopefully we can tell the orientation on, oh, thankfully it was a rattlesnake style too. So doesn't matter which way that one went. I'm gonna leave the springs in because I don't want to mess them up if they were in a certain order. I don't see any other, definitely threading there. Feels almost like an undercut in here on chamber 5. That's not me hitting the spring. Yeah. See, Picksmith does all kinds of stuff to his locks. And it feels like some undercutting or maybe threading on chamber 6. All right. So, let's zoom in on these pins. We've got rattlesnake on 6. This one is, if I can show you guys a little better. They move, but not a ton. So then we got that pin to catch in that plug. Like so. That will give you a 90 degree, almost 90 degrees before it locks up. So it'll give you a huge false set to try to get out of. Then the other 2 were just, I call them gin style just for the ends of them. But those were to catch on that those undercuts. So good job, Picksmith. Fun lock.